Harry shooting the target again, because he didn't do very good on his first one. That's his first one. He's hoping to improve on this bottom left hand side. There's my one, pretty tankish, good grouping. Oh no, wrong one. Where the hell is it going? Oh, there it is. There we go, look, good grouping pretty much. He's going to be going over here, then after, I'll be going over here. Cheers. And there's Harry walking up the gardens, around about 40, 50 yards away. Don't know. But yep, sitting down. He's going to be going for this target. Like I said earlier, here. And he's just getting his bipod set up and everything. And he should be taking his shot in a second. Ah, good shot. There's his first shot there. Pretty much bullseye. Alright, now let's see. There was a brilliant grouping in the bullseye. Then a couple of bad shots, but all round pretty good. And then let's go see. Right, the sun's in there, so we have to walk past that sun quickly. There's Harry just going over to his pellets. There he is. The BSA Scorpion T10 and Harry reloading.